In this video, we are going to discuss taking profits. So when you have a buy signal, the first thing you do is to position your stop loss. And after that, you need to follow the market to pay attention and to take your profits. You don't just let it run, because it might get down and get to break even to zero or even stop you out when you have already been in profits. So you want to pay attention to that, and you want to respect the rule of taking profits all the time if you want to be consistent. Even if you see the market going higher, you might be thinking you could have done more profits, but that's not true. Actually, you can lose if you don't follow your rules. The market will continue to go up most of the times when you have to take your profits. And you must think about that. Nobody knows how much higher it's going to go, because there are many traders involved here. And when you receive a signal to take your profits, that's the best place to take your profits and to close your trades. So in this strategy, we are going to use an indicator to take the profits. And this indicator, I have it right here on TradingView. So this is an oscillator type of indicator. And here we have two lines. So the taking profits signal is going to be when this blue line crosses the green line downwards. So that's going to be the exact moment when you close your trade and you take your profits. And those lines might have different colors if you use them on MT4. So you just want to make sure that you're following the same line. It's not that hard. You see here they don't have names, but if you pay attention, you'll see that this green line here, it's smoother, and the other line goes up and down a lot. So that's the line that it will intersect with the other line and give you the signal. And in TradingView here, to find this REX indicator, let's assume we don't have this here. We go to indicators, you write REX, we click on it, close this, and it's right here. And you see those are the default colors. So this is not green. I just made it green because I like it to be green. So I just go here, and where I see this color, I just do green. Okay, and now it's green. And this is how we are going to use this indicator. And now I'm going to draw here a square and position it from the exact point when you have a buy signal to the exact point where you position your stop loss. So this is it. So this is your risk, entry, and stop loss. Then the market goes up. And the moment where you collect your profits is going to be when you see after you see the signal, this blue line, it's already above the baseline, the green line. Let's just call it a baseline. And it goes up, it goes, and suddenly it crosses below. So that's the exact moment when you will collapse all your trades and you are going to take profits. Also in the trading management videos, we are going to talk about how you can leave a small portion of the trade to continue to go higher if the market will continue to go higher, with your stop loss above the zero level, so you don't have any losses in case it doesn't and it comes down. So I'm going to mark down with a line the exact moment. So you see here it's above, next day it's below here. So I'm going to add this line. This is the exact day when you have to close your trades. So you see if you enter here, you're in profits. And I'm going to copy this square. Just go on the properties. So you can do the same thing if you use MT4. That's why I'm showing you this. And I'm going to turn it green, like profits. And without modifying its shape, as you see, I'm grabbing this between those points, so I don't modify its shape. I'm going to put this right here on top. I'm going to continue to copy it. So this is, here we have 1R, 1 risk to reward ratio in profits. Here we have 2. You can do this in any platform. You will have squares and lines and stuff, so you can measure it like this. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 hours. You made profits 4 hours with this trade, and a little more, so it's a little more than 4. So this is what I'm showing you here, how to do in backtesting. You just copy paste, and you just put them one on top of each other just to take your numbers, or you can measure. You also have measurement tools like this one, price range. So you can measure the price from here to here. It's going to say 114.8, and you measure the price from the stop loss to the entry, and it says 25.5, something like that, and you just divide this number by this number and you will get your risk to reward ratio. If you use TradingView, it has a very simple tool for this. So you have a long position or a short position, and you find all those buttons, you find them here. In case I'm showing you something and you don't see where I pulled that from, everything is here. Believe me, you'll find it here. Long position, short position, so I just add them to my favorites toolbar. Long position, you click on it, and then you click first on the entry, and you get this tool. So I'm going to move this to, this is the stop loss, I'm going to move this to the stop loss. Then just pull it to the right, and I'm going to get this up right where I close my trade, to that level. And you see here risk reward ratio 4.5. This is your risk to reward. And here you have the stop 25 points, you have the target 150. So it's showing you a lot of details here. We're not going to use too many, we're just going to use this risk to reward ratio. So you can extract this immediately on a piece of paper and continue to do your back testing to see how much the way you use the strategy is going to offer you. And this is how you take profits with this strategy. Just remember, when the blue line has crossed the green line and the market is closed, that's the exact moment when you take your profits.